Storing your batteries in the fridge actually kills them faster. Most people think cold temperatures help batteries last longer, but the opposite is true. When you put batteries in the fridge, the temperature drop causes condensation to form on and inside them. That moisture is a disaster for battery life. Water leads to corrosion, which can break down the battery casing and mess with the internal chemistry, meaning your batteries won't hold a charge as long as they should. Even worse, fridges aren't as dry as you think. Humidity inside can sneak past the battery packaging, speeding up the corrosion process even more. Instead of preserving power, you're actually setting your batteries up for an early death. Keep your batteries in a cool, dry place at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and extreme heat. That's the real secret to making them last.